Companies at 2013. Multiple choice questions. For departmental exam, in-service exams, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. Question. Dash in relation to another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence, but which is not a subsidiary company of the company having such influence and includes a joint venture company. Answer: associate company. Next question. A company incorporated outside India which has no place of business in India and which does not which does not conduct any business activity in India in any manner is dash. Option A foreign company. Option B, an Indian company. Option C, company as defined in section 2, subsection 20. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, none of these. Next question. Company limited by guarantee means a company having the liability of its members limited by dash to such amount as the members may respectively undertake to contribute to the assets of the company in the event of its being wound up. Answer: the memorandum. Question. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held. Answer: option A, by the central government. Option B, by any state governments. Option C, jointly by the central government and any state governments. Option D, any of these. Correct answer, any of these. Question. A private company shall have a minimum of dash members and a maximum of dash members. Answer: 2 and 200. I repeat, a private company shall have a minimum of 2 members and a maximum of 200 members. Question. Private company means a company which by dash prohibits any invitation to dash to subscribe for any securities of the company. Answer is article and the public. I repeat, private company means a company which by its articles prohibits any invitation to public to subscribe for any securities of the company. Next question. An institution may be notified as a public financial institution if dash of the paid up share capital of such institution held or controlled by the central government or by any state government or governments or partly by the central government and partly by one or more state governments. Answer: 51 percentage or more. 51 percentage or more. Next question. An institution may be notified as a public financial institution if it has been established or constituted by or under other than this act or the previous company law. Option A, any central act. Option B, any state act. Option C, either A or B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, either A or B. That is, either any central act or any state act. Next question. A company shall be a small company only if its paid up share capital does not exceed dash and its turnover as per profit and loss account for the immediately preceding financial year does not exceed dash. Answer: 4 crore and 40 crore. 40 crore. I repeat, a company shall be a small company only if its paid up share capital does not exceed 4 crore and its turnover as per profit and loss account for the immediately preceding financial year does not exceed 40 crore. 40 crore. Next question. Statement 1. A public company having a paid up share capital of rupees 10 lakh and a turnover of rupees 40 lakh, 40 lakh is a small company. Statement 2. A private company having a paid up share capital of rupees 10 lakh and a turnover of rupees 40 lakh, 40, is a small company, even though it is a subsidiary or another private company. Answers: option A, only statement 1 is correct. Option B, only statement 2 is correct. Option C, both the statements are correct. Option D, none of the statement is correct. Correct answer: none of the statement is correct. Next question. The paid up capital and turnover of Sush Limited is rupees 45 lakh and rupees 1.5 crore respectively. Sush Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Kush Limited. Choose the right answer from among the following options. Correct answer: Sush Limited is not a small company since it is a subsidiary of a public company. Then next question. One second. Next question. The term resident of India means a person who has stayed in India for a period of not less than dash days during the immediately preceding financial year. Correct answer: 182 days. Next question. A person shall be eligible to incorporate OPC, one person company, only if he is a dash. Answer: a natural person and an Indian citizen. Question. A natural person dash a member of more than one OPC at any point of time, and the said person dash a nominee more than one OPC. Answer: shall not be. That is, a natural person shall not be a member of more than one person company at any point of time, and the said person shall not be a nominee more than one OPC, one person company. One person company. The next question. A private company other than a company registered under Section 8 of the Act may convert itself into OPC by passing. Answer: a special resolution. Next question. Statement 1. An OPC cannot have more than one director. Statement 2. An OPC is a private company. Answer: only statement 2 is correct. That is, an OPC is a private company. That statement is correct. The next question. A limited company may be dash. Answer: option A, a company limited by shares. Option B, a company limited by guarantee having no share capital. A company limited by guarantee and having a share capital. Option D, any of these. Correct answer: any of these. Next question. An unlimited company may be dash. Answer: option A, a company having no share capital. Option B, a company having a share capital. Option C, either A or B. Option D, a guarantee company. Correct answer: either A or B. That is, either a company having no share capital or a company having a share capital. Question number 8. A person shall be eligible to incorporate OPC or to be a nominee for the sole member of OPC only if, answer, he is a natural person and he is an Indian citizen. Question. A minor dash. Answer. Option A, cannot become a member of OPC. Option B, cannot become a nominee of OPC. Option C, cannot hold beneficial interest in the share of OPC. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Next question. OPC may be converted into dash. Answer: a private or public company other than a company registered under Section 8 of the Act. Next question. The memorandum of OPC shall state the name of any other person who shall become the member of OPC in case of dash of the subscriber to memorandum. Answer: death or incapacity to contract. Next question. The capital clause of memorandum shall state option A, the amount of the authorized share capital. Option B, number of shares. Option C, nominal value of each share. Answer option D, all of these. Correct answer option D, all of these. The next question. Dash cannot be a subscriber to the memorandum and articles. Answer minor. Next question. Cannot be a subscriber. Dash cannot be a subscriber to the memorandum and article. Answer partnership firm. Question. Various forms of memorandum have been specified in dash. Answer tables A, B, C, D and E. Schedule 1. I repeat, various forms of memorandum have been specified in tables A, B, C, D and E in Schedule 1. Next question. The provisions contained in Table F shall apply to every company limited by shares insofar as the articles of such company do not dash or dash the provisions contained in Table F. Answer either A or B. Repeat, the provisions, options A exclude, option B modify, option C either A or B, option D none of these. Correct answer either A or B, that is exclude, either exclude or modify. I repeat, the provisions contained in Table F shall apply to every company limited by shares insofar as that articles of such company do not exclude or modify the provisions contained in Table F. Next question. In the case of a private company, the provisions for entrenchment may be made at the time of formation of the company or by an amendment of articles dash. Answer with the consent of all the members. Next question. In the case of public company, the provisions for entrenchment may be made at the time of formation of the company or by an amendment of articles dash. Answer by passing a special resolution. In case of a company having a share capital, the subscription clause of memorandum shall contain dash. Answer option A, the number of shares subscribed by each subscriber. Option B, name, address and occupation of each subscriber. Option C, both A and B, and D, none of these. Correct answer both A and B. That is the number of shares subscribed by each subscriber and name, address and occupation of each subscriber. The next question. For the purpose of incorporation of a company, there shall be filed with the registrar a declaration in form number INC 9 signed by dash. Answer option A, every subscriber to memorandum. Option B, every person named as a first director in the articles. Option C, either A or B. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer both A and B. That is every subscriber to memorandum and every person named as a first director in the articles. The next question. Where a company has been got incorporated by furnishing any false or incorrect information or by suppressing any material fact or information or by any fraudulent action, the tribunal may, on being satisfied that the situation so warrants, dash. Answer option A, order for the winding up of the company. Option B, direct removal of the name of the company from the registrar of companies. Option C, pass such other orders as it may deem fit. Option D, all of these. Correct answer option D, all of these. The next question. Every subscriber to memorandum shall make a declaration that he has not been found guilty of any fraud or misfeasance or breach of duty during the preceding dash. Answer 5 years. Next question. Where a company is granted license under section 8, it is not required to use the words dash even though the company is a limited company. Answer limited or private limited as the case may be. Next question. A company licensed under Section 8 may alter the provisions contained in its memorandum or articles only after obtaining the previous approval of dash. Answer: the central government. Next question. A firm may become a member of dash. Answer: a company licensed under section 8. Next question. Dash shall be engraved in legible characters on the common seal, if any, of the company. Answer: the name of the company. Next question. The telephone number, fax number, if any, email address, and the address of website, if any, shall be printed on dash. Answer: all the business letters, billheads, notices, and other official publications. Next question. In the case of OPC, the words one person company shall be mentioned dash. Answer: in brackets. Option A, in brackets. Option B, below the name. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer: both A and B. That is in brackets and in below the name. Then next question. Notice of every change in situation of the registered office shall be given to the registrar within dash of such a change. Answer: 30 days. Next question. A company may change its registered office from the jurisdiction of one registrar to the jurisdiction of another registrar within the same state by dash. Answer: passing a special resolution and obtaining the confirmation of the regional director. Question. Every company shall have its registered office within dash of its incorporation and at all times thereafter. Answer: 30 days. Question. A company may change its registered office outside the local limits of the city, town, or village in which the registered office is situated by dash. Answer: passing a special resolution. The next question. A company may change its registered office within the local limits of the city, town, or village in which the registered office is situated by dash. Answer: option A, passing an ordinary resolution. Option B, passing a special resolution. Option C, passing an ordinary resolution and obtaining the confirmation of the central government. Option D, none of these. Correct answer: none of these. Next question. A company may change the place of its registered office from one state to another state by dash. Answer: passing a special resolution and obtaining approval of the central government. Question. Alteration in situation clause of memorandum takes place where dash. Answer: registered office is shifted from one state to another state. Question. A change in the name of the company requires dash. Answer: a special resolution and approval of the central government. Question. The approval of the central government is not required if the only change in the name of the company is dash. Answer: option A, deletion of the word private consequent upon conversion of private company into a public company. Option B, addition of the word private consequent upon conversion of a public company into a private company. Option C, either A or B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer: either A or B. Question. A company may alter its objects clause of memorandum by dash. Answer: passing a special resolution. Question. The name clause of memorandum may be altered by way of dash. Answer: change of name. Option A, change of name. Option B, rectification of name. Option C, either A or B. Correct answer: either A or B. That is either change of name or rectification of name. Question. Conversion of a private company into a public company requires dash. Answer: a special resolution. Question. Conversion of a public company into a private company requires dash. A special resolution and approval of the central government. Question. Where the central government directs a company to rectify its name, the company shall rectify its name within dash. Answer: 3 months. Question. Where a company is registered by a name which in the opinion of the central government is identical with or too nearly resembles the name of a company previously registered, then the central government may direct the company to rectify its name. When such a direction is given, the company shall rectify its name by dash. Answer: passing an ordinary resolution. Question: the proprietor of the registered trademark may make an application to the central government that the name of company is identical with or too nearly resembles the registered trademark of which he is the proprietor. Such an application may be made by the proprietor of the registered trademark within dash of registration of the company by such name or registration of the company by such new name. Answer: 3 years. Next question. On receipt of an application from the proprietor of a registered trademark in the central government is of the opinion that the name of a company is identical with or too nearly resembles the registered trademark, then the central government may direct the company to rectify this name. When such a direction is given, the company shall within dash rectify its name. Answer: 6 months. Next question. On receipt of an application from the proprietor of a registered trademark, if the central government is of the opinion that the name of the company is identical with or too nearly resembles the registered trademark, then the central government may direct the company to rectify its name. When such a direction is given, the company shall rectify the name by dash. Answer: passing an ordinary resolution. Next question. A company shall not allot or transfer its share to dash. Its answer: its subsidiary company. Question. A subsidiary company may hold shares as dash of the holding company. Answer: option A legal representative of the deceased member. Option B, a trustee. Option C, either A or B or both. Option D, none of these. Correct answer: either A or B or both. That is option A legal representative of the deceased member. Option B, a trustee. Either A or B or both. The next question. A subsidiary company may hold shares in the holding company if such shares were acquired by the subsidiary company dash it become a subsidiary company of the holding company. Answer: before. Next question. An application of reservation of name Hemraj Chemicals Private Limited was made to the registrar by her Hemman Mr. Raj, the promoters of the proposed company. On 16th April 2019, the registrar granted his approval for the name Hemman Raj Chemicals Private Limited. Hemraj Chemicals Private Limited. Such approval shall remain in force till dash. Answer: 6th May 2019. Next question. As per the doctrine of dash, outsiders dealing with the company are entitled to assume that as far as internal proceedings of the company are concerned, everything has been done regularly. Answer: indoor management. Next question. As per the doctrine of dash, any act which is not permitted or authorized by the Companies Act 2013 and falls outside the object clause of memorandum is void and is of no legal effect. Answer: ultra-vires. The next question. Acts ultra-vires the directors or articles dash. Answer: may be rectified by the members. Next question. A promoter is dash of the company. Answer: option A, an agent. Option B, a trustee. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, none of these. Next question. Statement 1. A promoter stands in a fiduciary capacity towards the company. Statement 2. A person acting in a professional capacity is a promoter. Correct answer, only statement 1 is correct. The next question, statement 1. A promoter can make a profit in respect of any transaction with the company only if he makes a full and fair disclosure of such profit. Statement 2. The promoters shall have no right to receive any remuneration from the company unless the company after incorporation has contracted the same. Answer. Both the statements are correct. Then next question. Dash means a memorandum containing such salient features of a prospectus as may be specified by SEBI. SEBI by making regulation in this behalf. Answer. Correct answer, abridged prospectus. I repeat, correct answer, abridged prospectus. Next question. Any notice, circular, advertisement or other documents inviting offers from Dash for the subscription or purchase or any securities of Dash shall be prospectus. Answer. The public, a body, corporate. I repeat, any notice, circular, advertisement or other document inviting offer from the public for the subscription or purchase of any securities of a body, corporate shall be a prospectus. Next question. Dash is included in the definition of prospectus. Option A. Any document described or issued as a prospectus. Option B. Shelf prospectus. Option C. Red herring prospectus. Option D. All of these. Correct answer. Option D. All of these. Next question. A public company may issue securities. Dash. Answer. To public by issuing a prospectus. Option B. By way of private placement. Option C. By way of a right issue or a bonus issue. Option D. All of these. Correct answer. Option D. All of these. Next question. The term public offers include. Answer. Option A. Initial public offer of securities to the public by a company. Option B. Further public offer of securities to the public by a company. Option C. An offer for sale of securities to the public by an existing shareholder through issue of a prospectus. Option D. All of these. Correct answer, all of these. Next question. Unless contrary is proved, it shall be presumed that allotment or agreement to allot the securities was made with a to the securities being offered for sale to the public if it is shown that the offer for sale to the public was made with dash of allotment of agreement to allot. Answer 6 months. Statement 1. In case of a deemed prospectus, the prospectus shall contain the net consideration received by the company in respect of the securities to which the offer relates. Statement 2. In case of a deemed prospectus, the prospectus shall contain the time and place for inspection of where under the securities have been allotted or to be allotted. Answer. Option A. Only statement 1 is correct. Option B. Only statement 2 is correct. Option C. Both the statements are correct. Correct answer. Both the statements are correct. Next question. No prospectus shall be valid if it is issued more than dash after the date on which a copy thereof is delivered to register. Answer 90 days. No prospectus. Next question. No prospectus shall be issued by or on behalf of a company unless on or before the date of its publication there been delivered to a registrar for filing a copy of the prospectus signed by every person who is named thereafter thereby dash of the company. Answer option A director, option B a proposed director, option D C both A and B. Correct answer both A and B. Next question. A statement can be included as an expert's statements in the prospectus only if the person making the statement is and has not been engaged or interested in dash of the company. Answer option A the formation or promotion, option B management, option C either A or B or both. Correct answer either A or B or both. Next question. Dash is required if the company intends to vary the terms of any contract referred to in the prospectus or vary objects for which the prospectus were issued. Answer a special resolution. Next question. If a company intends to vary the terms of any contract referred to in the prospectus or vary the objects for which the prospectus was issued, the dissenting shareholders shall be given an exit offer by dash, and the exit price and the manner and condition of the exit offer shall be such as may be specified by dash. Answer the promoters or controlling shareholders and answer B. Next question. A company may forfeit the shares held by a member on the ground of non-payment of calls only if it is authorized by. Answer option A resolution passed in general meeting, option B the articles, option C a resolution passed by the board, option D both B and C. Correct answer both B and C, that is the articles and a resolution passed by the board. Dash means a prospectus. Next question. Dash means a prospectus in respect of which the securities or class of securities included therein are issued for subscription in one or more issues over a certain period without the issue of a further prospectus. Answer shelf prospectus. Next question. Prior to the issue of second or subsequent offer of securities under the shelf prospectus, the company shall be required to file dash with the registrar. Answer information memorandum. Next question. The shelf prospectus shall indicate a period not exceeding dash as the period of validity of such prospectus. Answer 1 year. Next question. Where a company issues a shelf prospectus, it shall, prior to the issue of a second or subsequent offer of securities under the shelf prospectus, file dash with the registrar. Answer an information memorandum. Question. Dash means a prospectus which does not include complete particulars of the quantum or price of the securities included therein. Answer red herring prospectus. Next question. A company proposing to issue a red herring prospectus shall file it with the registrar at least dash prior to the opening of the offer. Answer 3 days. Question. Any variation between the red herring prospectus and a prospectus shall be highlighted as variation in the dash. Answer prospectus. Next question. The application money on every security shall not be less than dash of the nominal amount of the security. Answer 5%. Next question. A company shall file return of allotment with the registrar on dash. Answer allotment of securities. Next question. A company can issue global depository receipts only if it is authorized by dash. Answer a special resolution. Question. The global depository receipt may be issued by way of dash. Answer by a public offering. Option A public offering. Option B private offering. Option B private placement. Option B private placement. Option C any manner prevalent abroad. Option D Any of these. Correct answer, any of these. The next question. A company making private placement shall issue dash. Answer, private placement offer cum application. Next question. The private placement shall not be made during the entire financial year to more than dash persons. Answer, 200. Question. A company may make a private placement of its securities only if it is authorized by dash. Answer, option A, the central government. Option B, the tribunal. Option C, the court. Option D, none of these. Correct answer, none of these. Next question. A company may make private placement of its securities only if such a proposal is approved by dash. Answer, the members by passing a special resolution. Next question. Every person willing to subscribe to the private placement issue shall pay to the company the subscription money by dash. Answer, check. Question. A company making private placement shall allot the securities within dash of receiving the application money for the securities. Answer, 60 days. Question. The private placement of offer cum application letter shall be informed dash. PAS 4. Answer, PAS 4. Question. In case of a private placement, the return of allotment of securities shall be filed in form dash. Answer, PAS 3. Answer, PAS 3. Question. The company shall maintain a complete record of private placement offers in form dash. Answer, PAS 5. Question. In case of a private placement, if the company is not able to allot the securities within the stipulated time period, it shall within next dash repay the application money to the applicants. Answer, 15 days. Thank you.